Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise next topic of chapter number 1, numbers and numeration. So our next topic is comparison of numbers. To compare numbers, always begin with the leftmost place. First compare thousands. If thousands are same, then compare hundreds. And if hundreds are same, then compare tens. And if tens are again same, then compare the digits at the ones place. A number having more digits is always greater. Let us understand this concept by taking the examples. So first example is compare 5213 and 645. As you can see, there are two numbers. First number is having 4 digits and the second number is having 3 digits. It's 5213 and it's 645. So it's clear that first number is having 4 digits and the second number is having 3 digits. So the number who is having more digits is always greater than the number who is having less digits. So 5213 is greater than 645. Let's take another example. Now let's compare the numbers having 4 digits. So compare 4990 and 4993. As you can see in this table, at the thousands place we are having 4 and 4 the digits same. Hundreds place again the digits are same, 9 and 9. Tens place again digits are same, 9 and 9. And at ones place the digits are different. First we are having 0 and then we are having 3. So it's obvious and it's clear that 0 is less than 3. So 4990 is less than 4993 because the digit at the ones place 0 is less than 3. Next example is compare 5354 and 5354. So it is clear that all the digits of both the numbers are same. At thousands place we are having 55, hundreds place we are having 33, tens place we are having 55 and ones place we are having 44. So all the digits of both the numbers are same. So 5354 equals to 5354. So these are the three examples of the comparison of numbers which explains greater than, less than and equals to. Now let's make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using the digits. So digits are 2, 5, 1 and 7. So we need to make first greatest number. So greatest digit is 7. So 7 will come first. Then it's 5, then 2 and then 1. So greatest number is 7521. Now smallest number. So take the smallest digit first, which is 1, then 2, then 5 and then it's 7. So smallest number is 1257. So likewise you can take any digits and create the greatest and the smallest numbers. Next topic is ascending and descending order. As you can see, ascending order means going up. So going up is ascending order. And another name of ascending order is increasing order. So going from smallest to greatest is ascending order and descending order is coming down. So coming from greatest number to the smallest number is the descending order, and another name of descending order is decreasing order. As you can see in this picture, in the ascending order, first digit is 2, then 13, then 17 and then 18. Likewise in the descending order, first digit is 18, then 17, then 13 and then 2. So ascending order is from smallest to greatest and descending order is from greatest to smallest. Let's take an example. So here are the digits 1525, 5832, 3162 and 4441. So arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order. As you can see, to arrange in ascending order, the first digit is 1. So number will come 1525, then 3162, then 4441, and the end is 5832. And in the descending order, moving from greatest to smallest, the first number will come 5832, then 4441, then 3162 and 1525. So again I'll repeat, ascending order is from moving from smallest to greatest, and descending order is from greatest to smallest. Thanks for watching.